Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to reset temp folder permissions to default in Windows 11. Open Notepad, copy command text from description and paste it. Click Run as administrator. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.